There are only three skills that matter in the AI era. Get them wrong and you're done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you the three skills that will be replaced by AI in this video. And I'm going to share with you the three skills that will survive and thrive in AI. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the three skills that will be replaced by AI first. Now, the first skill is basic writing. Now, before I even get to that, before I even get to that, for those who are new to the channel, who we are is More Life for All. And if you don't know what More Life for All is, we are a movement that is there to give more life to you. What does that mean? That means that we help entrepreneurs go from $0 to $10,000 per month. And we do that on the back of a sales organization that we have, where we help you learn sales and at the same time also apply sales in your life. So not only do you get the skill, but you get your financial and career increase as well. So that's what More Life for All is to help you as an entrepreneur go from $0 to $10,000 per month. Now, back to the list. The first thing is basic writing. Now, a long time ago, people used to write books by hand, and it took a long time. And then a guy named Gutenberg came out of nowhere and decided and created the machine press. And this machine press was able to write books so fast that people didn't need people to write books anymore. So people who only wrote books by hand were not needed as much. Now, when machines write faster, simple writing jobs go away. So AI can write emails and stories fast. People who only write simple tasks may not be needed anymore. That's the first skill. The second skill is simple helper tasks. Now, if we date back into history, people used to make clothes by hand, if you weren't aware of that. And the new machines were made in factories, and these machines could make cloth a lot faster than people could weave by their hand. So people who only did simple weaving jobs were not needed anymore. So the lesson is that if a job is easy and repetitive, machines can replace it. AI can make schedules. AI can type things in. AI can answer easy questions. So helpers who do these small jobs may not be needed. That's the second skill that is going to be replaced by AI. The third skill that will be replaced by AI is finding information and basic research jobs. Now, before the internet, people had to look into big books like encyclopedias. I'm not sure if you guys remember what an encyclopedia is. People had to look into big books like encyclopedias to find information. And it took a long time just to even get to the right page. Then the internet and Google came along, and anyone could find answers in seconds. So the lesson here is that when a tool finds information fast, the old way becomes less needed. So that means that AI can look up facts very fast. You already know that. AI can read and summarize things. If you didn't know that, you can use AI to summarize books, to read books and give you breakdowns of books before you even actually go and buy the book. So what you can do is you can ask AI for a 5,000 word summary on a certain book if someone referred the book to you. If you like those 5,000 words, then you can say, all right, give me 10,000 word summary of this book. If those 10,000 words interest you as well, then you can go on and buy the book. That's a method you could use. So jobs where you only search for information, such as basic research jobs, completely gone. Now, for the skills that will survive during AI. Now, pay close attention to these skills, because there's one of these skills that if you take seriously could put you on the right side of history. And that's the most important thing that I want you to focus on, and that's the most important thing that I'm trying to focus on, is being on the right side of history with this complete new change that is taking place. The first skill that will survive during this time in AI is human-to-human interaction, talking to people and selling. Now, if you guys don't know, Abraham Lincoln had to help many people during a big war, and he spoke to them with kindness and hope, and his words made people feel brave, and his words made people stay together. Now, no machine could do that. So the thing here is that talking to people with heart is a human skill that cannot be replaced. People trust people, not robots, and we still need humans to talk, to listen, and to help others make choices. So that's the first skill that will thrive in this AI era, is talking to people, human to human interaction, and selling. The second skill is creative thinking. Now, all of us, you, I probably already know of Steve Jobs. He wanted a phone that could play music and have a touchscreen, so he created the iPhone. But no one had seen anything like that before. So when he created the iPhone, it changed the whole world. The lesson here is that big new ideas come from people, not machines. AI cannot think big ideas. Humans can think big ideas. Humans know what feels fun. Humans know what feels exciting. Humans know what feels interesting. AI cannot choose the big idea, but people can. And then the last skill that will thrive and survive in this AI time is solving real world problems. Now, if you look at the Wright brothers, Wright. If you don't know them, Google them. It was Orville and Wilbur Wright, if I pronounce the names correctly. They wanted to make a machine that could fly. And they tried many, many times. Now, sometimes it didn't work, but they still kept trying. Now, what happened in 1903, their plane finally flew. The lesson is that humans solve real problems by trying and learning and trying again. AI gives you answers, but humans decide what is right. Humans can fix real problems. So for you, when you take an inventory and you look at your life right now and you look at the things that you are focusing on, the things that you are thinking of focusing on, are you focusing on things that can put you on the right side of history? Are you working on the skills that can put you on the right side of history? AI is already writing code. AI is already writing code. So you have to ask yourself, what are you going to start learning today, not tomorrow, if you understand? What are you going to start learning today as a new skill that you can add to your toolbox so that you can have something that can keep you going through this AI world? Because you may think that AI is just a temporary thing. It's here to stay. So you have to choose now what you feel is the smartest thing so that you do not get wiped out. Because if you get this decision wrong and you choose the wrong skills to work on right now, you will be completely destroyed, removed, obliterated, and replaced. With that being said, I appreciate you for watching. If you guys don't know what we are, like I said, More Life for All. We're here to help you go from $0 to $10,000 per month. One thing I ask for you is, and comment what you would do better in this video, and then subscribe. Thank you for watching.